Welcome back to the Tinkerage, and here's another quick tip. I'm in the process of measuring up for a new set of shelves to store 2 rows of these boxes. Now, I could just take a series of measurements, but I find sometimes when I measure something and just take those measurements away, things don't always seem to quite fit. So here's my tip. I've fastened here a piece of scrap wood, just fastened in place, and then I'm able to take some measurements. I want to see how things fit, so I've actually put the box in place, scribed a line with a pencil. I've used a piece of scrap wood, then the thickness of the shelf to mark my next position. I can mark where my next row of boxes is going to go, and then another shelf. And from that, I have some fixed positions for which I can then take some measurements, and I can determine whether the piece of wood that I want to use as a back piece will fit and be able to be secured to my wall bar here. I can take this away, keep it at the side, and take measurements off it repeatedly. I find that using a storyboard like this, a story stick, can really save making mistakes. Listen in again for more tips at another time.